Good evening. My name is Desiree Gutierrez de Rosa. I'm here to demonstrate the proper body procedure and your model title providing health support to infants and toddlers. Here are the few reminders before taking a bath of the baby. The best time is 9 to 10 a.m. The best place is the hot tub. The temperature of the water is 29.4 degrees Celsius. Provide respect and respect to the clients. Close all the doors and the windows. Put down the curtains and draperies. Turn off the electric fan and aircon. Don't leave the baby unattended that it may cause an accident. Do the hand washing procedure. Prepare the needed materials, the dressing trolley, blankets, towelettes, extra clothes and diapers, plastic bags, cotton balls, cotton buds, grooming accessories, alcohol, uh, liquid soap, shampoo, bar soap, thermometer, petroleum jelly, clean basin, bathtub, rubber mat, laundry bin, trash can, pail, and differ. Do the proper hand washing. Get the baby from the crib. Put on the countertop. Undress the lower extremities of the baby. Put on Put inside the laundry bin. Check the diaper if soiled. If soiled, unfasten the diaper. Get your free hands to grip the pick of the baby. Choose the cleanest part of the diaper to wipe from top to bottom. Put the diaper on his on her buttocks. Check the genital if there's redness or irritation. If there is redness or irritation, get cotton balls with betadine. If none, get a basin of warm water. Check the temperature using your wrist or elbow. If the baby is girl, get the cotton balls, dip and squeeze. Clean the genital, include down from top to bottom. Inguinal, including the labia down to the anus, and discard the cotton balls. Get the cotton balls, dip and squeeze. Clean the other side of the genital from top to bottom, inguinal down to the anus, and discard the cotton balls. Repeat until it's thoroughly clean. Get the cotton balls, dip and squeeze. Clean the middle part from top to bottom until to the anus and discard the cotton balls and repeat until it's thoroughly clean. If the baby is boy, get the cotton balls, dip and squeeze. Clean the scrotum from top to bottom, inguinal down to the anus and discard the cotton balls. Get the cotton balls, dip and squeeze. Clean the other side of the scrotum, inguinal down to the anus and discard the cotton balls. Get the cotton buds, dip both ends. Clean the scrotum in horizontal manner. Pay attention to its folds and creases and discard the cotton balls. Get the diaper, fold it, and put inside the plastic, sealed, and put it inside the trash can. And do the hand washing procedure. Prepare for body temperature taking. Get the thermometer, get a cotton balls, put alcohol, clean the thermometer from cleanest down to the dirtiest, and discard the cotton buds. Check the thermometer if it's functioning. If it's functioning, dip the bulb of the thermometer to petroleum jelly before inserting to the anus to prevent traumatizing the mucous membrane of the anus. Put the baby on side lying position. Gently and slowly put the thermometer to the anus with zero point 0.5 dip. Wait until 2 minutes or until you hear the beeping sound of the thermometer. Gently put away the thermometer and put back the baby in supine position. Get a dry cotton balls. Clean the thermometer from the cleanest down to the dirtiest part and discard the cotton buds. Read the temperature. If the temperature is 37.5 and above, do the sponge bathing. If it is 37 below, do the bathing procedure. Put back the thermometer to its container and get cotton buds and wipe the excess petroleum jelly into its anus. Cover with towelettes. Do the hand washing procedure and prepare for cutting procedure. Uh, Undress the upper extremities of the baby. Widen the neck and the armhole to easy removal of the shirt. Put the shirt on the laundry bin. Get blanket and cover the baby to prevent from chilling. Get basin with warm water. Check the temperature using your wrist or elbows. Get the cotton balls, dip and squeeze. Clean the upper to outside canthus of the eye and discard the cotton balls. Get the cotton balls, dip and squeeze. Clean the Clean the lower to outside canthus of the eye and discard the cotton balls. Get the cotton balls, dip and squeeze. Clean the upper to outer canthus of the eye and discard the cotton balls. Get the cotton balls, dip and squeeze. Clean the lower to outer canthus of the eye and discard the cotton balls. Get the cotton buds, dip both tips, clean the outside hole of the nose and the other outside of the nose and discard the cotton buds. Get the cotton balls, dip and squeeze, clean the upper lip and discard the cotton balls. Get the cotton balls, dip and squeeze, clean the lower lip and discard the cotton balls. Get the cotton buds, dip both ends, clean the outside loop of the ear and back of the ear and discard the cotton buds. Get the cotton buds, dip the tips, clean the other side of the ear, the loop of the ear and back of the ear and discard the cotton buds. Get towelette, soak and rig, do the hand knit and fold, wipe the face of the baby using figure number 3 from forehead, cheek, down to the chin, and repeat to the other side in figure number 3 from using your back of the finger hand from forehead, the cheek, down to the chin, and get another towelette to pat it dry and prepare for shampoo. Assess the head of the baby if there's a redness, irritation, or cattle crop. If there's irritation or cattle crop, use uh, special shampoo. If none, use regular shampoo. Get basin with warm water. Check the temperature using your wrist or elbow. Get the baby on the countertop. Do the football hold. Lower the blanket to expose the head of the baby. Get cotton balls and cover the ears. Get towelette, blindfold and cover the eyes. Wet the hair of the baby, reaching the occiput, including the occiput. Get shampoo, lather to your finger, lather to your palm, and rub gently on the head of the baby using your fingertips. Rinse the head of the baby thoroughly in the other basin. Get the towel, pat it dry, put away the blindfold and cotton balls. Put back the baby to countertop and fold the blanket and pour for wetting procedure. Get a basin with warm water. Check the temperature using your wrist or elbow. Get towelette, soak and rig, do the hand knit and fold, wet the neck from medial to lateral, wet the chest, abdomen, axilla, forearms, in between fingers. Pay attention to in between fingers. Rinse and rig. Do the hand knit and fold. Uh, wet the lower extremities. Pay attention to the folds and presses. Soak and rinse and rig. Do the hand knit and fold. Wet the back of the baby, including the bottom area, and prepare for soaping. Soaping, get the soap, lather to your palm, gently rub the body of the baby. The best soap to use is the liquid soap. It provides bonding with the caregiver and the baby. And get the soap, rub to the neck, medial to lateral. Get soap, soap the chest, abdomen, axilla, forearms, hands. Pay attention to its in between fingers. Soap the lower extremities. Pay attention to its folds and presses. Soap, soap the back, including the bottom area, and prepare for rinsing. Get the bathtub with warm water. Check the temperature of the water using your wrist or elbow. Get the baby from the countertop and do the cradle hold. The hands securely supporting the back of the baby. Put at the bathtub, and the head of the baby is higher than the level of the water to prevent from drowning. Rinse the baby thoroughly. Pay attention to its folds and presses. Pull back the baby and rinse the back of the baby until the bottom area. You are done rinsing the baby. Put away this blanket and get the new blanket. Cover the baby and pat it right. Get put on the diaper. Get petroleum jelly and put on the diaper area. Dress the upper extremities of the baby. Widen the neck and the armhole. Put away the blanket. Dress the lower extremities, one foot at a time. And do the grooming procedure. If you're using powder, turn back your turn back to the baby, put the powder onto your hand and lather to your hand and put on the lower extremities. If you are using cologne, don't put on that directly onto the skin of the baby, just put onto their clothes. If you are using lotion, you make it sure it is hypoallergenic. Comb the hair of the baby using fine comb. Check the fingernails of the baby. If it is long, clip it and put back the baby to the crib and do the aftercare. Do the hand washing procedure, and that all concludes for baby bathing of the baby.